Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can making a photo blurry and the CapCut apps. So I'm going to tap on project and select the photo that I want to edit. Select add. So to make the photo blurry, yeah, actually it's so super simple. You are just going to add the effect. How to just select effect and select video effect, and you can find the length, I think, and you can select blur effect. Just click on it and click on it again to adjust the blur. Okay, that's it. Just click check mark. Okay, that's it. So simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.